Good morning, everybody. Such a pretty car. I love my car. And bam, we finally got everything matched up for our first. Oh my God, my brain just decided to shut off. Oh my God. Okay, so I haven't had enough coffee yet, so I'm not awake, so I'm blaming it on the coffee. So we have our first piece cut, and I'll start wrapping this in a minute. I'll get everything taped to hold it and then undo a little bit at a time and glue it so that we're okay to be able to do that and make sure that we get a nice tight fit so that it looks proper like it's supposed to. And then I'll leave everything taped for 24 hours on each piece so that we know that the glue will hold. I mean, granted, we have this company is phenomenal with what they do. And they gave us, I did a little bit of research on this. This is let me get some of the shine out of there, some of the best stuff on the market. I don't think there's anybody better at this point. So we'll be using this in just a minute. I just got to tape everything up nice and tight. And I will do a little bit at a time to make sure that it holds like it's supposed to. And we are starting one piece at a time. I'm not rushing this at all. I just want this to be correct. This is an extremely important car, one to me, two to the client. So it has to be perfect. And unfortunately, I'm anal retentive on details. So if I've got to redo this 50,000 times to make it right, I'm going to redo it 50,000 times to make it right. So I'm going to start tucking and taping, and we will get this all set. And I will show you guys the tape portion in a couple of minutes so you guys see how I approach it, which everybody does stuff like this very differently. So, but yeah, we'll get this all taken care of, and I'll show you guys in a little bit. All right.